eastbound Grand River Brighton. Need it. Get here.
Clear. Occupied a few times. We can get traffic at 1636. Can you get traffic conditions, please?
5002 to Central.
Clear on the construction lane at 1639.
Exiting, please exit.
There's just exiting 1640.
13 midnight. Coming down the ramp.
Going into the city. Left lane, you almost lost it.
Going open the yard, 1643.
I think you just ran the sheriff car. Yeah, 13's with him. It's like, I'll call it 35. He's going over Spencer. Eastbound.
Clear eastbound going over Spencer. 13 is after. Bring it back calling 1642.
Yeah, free in pursuit now. Going westbound. Westbound. Back to Lansing.
Clear about 3 clear to the call 1649.
Trip crash. He just rear-ended the vehicle. Black edge.
Clear in the black edge.
Right shoulder, rear-ended. We're still continuing westbound.
Clear rear end.
Just threw a gun out.
Just for a gun out 1645.
Gun out. Right at the westbound on ramp. Grand River Brighton. Rear-ended white truck.
Rear-ended white truck 1647. Units, be advised I'm on with Ingham right now. They're trying to get you sticks. They said this vehicle was involved in a retail fraud out of Dix and occupants earlier.
Up on the shoulder. Fowlerville. Trying to get back on the expressway. You're back up on the expressway.
Yeah, we're up on the shoulder now, back on the expressway as you get too far.
Looks like we're exiting up at 104. Exit 104. Getting up.
Exiting at 104, getting off at 1706. Passing here, starting approaching another intersection.
Just head on the another car on Jolly.
Another vehicle, Jolly, 1708.
One white male, 3 black.
One white male, 3 black, mailing 1708.
Just head on the another car on Jolly and Balin.
Head on with another vehicle, Jolly.
One white male, 3 black.
All units responding, be advised, suspects may still be armed. Be advised, suspects may still be armed. Use caution.